Seyyah Ressam here. Glad you could join me for another deep dive into tomorrow's tech. Stick around as we explore features, performance, and hidden quirks you won't see in the spec sheet. The Lenovo LOQ 15AHP10 is Lenovo's latest entry into the mid-range gaming laptop market for 2025, and it has already caught the attention of students, mainstream gamers, and professionals who want both durability and performance. Without breaking the bank, this year's model brings AMD's brand new Ryzen 7 250 processor paired with NVIDIA's RTX 5050 GPU from the freshly launched RTX 5000 series, offering a leap in performance while maintaining a price tag around $1,150 to $1,200, positioning it firmly in the mid-tier segment. The LOQ line has always been about balancing value, build quality, and performance, and in 2025, Lenovo continues this formula with smart refinements rather than radical changes. In terms of design, the LOQ 2025 retains its solid and angular look, resembling a mini Legion, a reference to Lenovo's premium Legion gaming series. The chassis feels sturdy with no flex, the matte finish exudes durability, and the hinge remains well engineered, allowing one-handed opening and rotation up to 180 degrees. A hallmark feature borrowed from the higher-end Legion family. Ports are sensibly placed, with essentials like LAN, HDMI, USB-C, and the power jack neatly positioned at the rear, which helps keep both sides of the laptop clutter-free, especially useful on smaller desks or study tables. Commonly used ports are still available on the right-hand side, maintaining convenience for daily tasks. At 2.44 kilograms, the machine is not featherlight, but strikes a balance between portability and robustness, making it reasonable to carry daily between classrooms, workspaces, or gaming sessions. Keyboard quality is another highlight. The LOQ 2025 inherits many traits from the Legion 2025 lineup, featuring a full-size layout with a numeric keypad and distinct arrow keys. Keycaps now feature centered legends, improving symmetry and modern appeal, while the 1.6mm travel provides a tactile, responsive typing experience with quieter, more refined acoustics. RGB backlighting across 24 zones can be customized via Lenovo's Legion Space software, a feature that brings the LOQ closer to its premium sibling in terms of aesthetics and immersion. The touchpad is smooth, accurate, and supports all multi-touch gestures, ensuring everyday navigation and light productivity are effortless. The display remains one of the strongest selling points. Lenovo continues to equip the LOQ 2025 with a 15.6-inch Full HD panel, boasting a 144 Hz refresh rate and 100% sRGB coverage. This ensures fluid visuals for gaming and accurate colors for content creation or academic tasks, while maximum brightness is capped at 300 nits, limiting comfort under direct sunlight. It still performs excellently indoors where most users will spend their time, whether gaming, watching videos, or working on creative projects. The screen feels vibrant and fast enough to satisfy both students and mainstream gamers. Above the display sits a serviceable webcam that delivers sharp video quality for online classes, meetings, or streaming, paired with a physical shutter switch for privacy. Audio performance is solid though not groundbreaking. The dual-speaker setup provides clear and reasonably loud sound, sufficient for movies, music, and casual gaming. The real star of the LOQ 2025, however, lies under the hood. The Ryzen 7250 brings the efficiency and multitasking strength expected from AMD's newest generation, while the RTX 5050 with 8GB of GDDR7 VRAM and a 115W TGP represents a substantial upgrade for the mid-range segment. This GPU promises not only smoother gameplay in popular esports titles, but also enough horsepower for AAA games at moderate settings and accelerated performance in creative workloads. like video editing or 3D modeling. Thermal management is handled by a dual-fan, 4-heat pipe cooling system, largely similar to last year's model, with airflow directed to the rear for a tidier side profile and better comfort. Whether this setup is fully sufficient for the increased demands of the new CPU and GPU remains to be validated in detailed performance reviews. But on paper the design appears capable of keeping temperatures under control. All of these elements make the Lenovo LOQ 2025 a compelling proposition in its category. It doesn't aim to be the lightest or the flashiest, but rather the most balanced, durable build, a quality keyboard, a vibrant 144Hz screen, and most importantly, a generational jump in performance while still staying in the $1,200 range. For students who need a single device that can handle coursework by day and gaming by night, or for budget-conscious gamers wanting modern specs without overspending, the LOQ 2025 stands out as one of the most sensible choices of the year. It is not hard to imagine this laptop selling out quickly as one of the most popular mid-range gaming laptops of 2025.